Hi, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. Hi. Welcome to our channel. I'm Maya.
I'm Angel.
What are we doing today?
The rainy days.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am. So somebody listen to it and seen the video once. I haven't seen or heard anything, so I'm scared. I'm nervous.
I'm excited to see it again.
Ugh.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Wait.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone again, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없었어. Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say?
Is that a bag
Wish I
yet?
knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Yeah?
Oh my.
The second verse?
I don't even have the words. Oh my goodness.
I was so ready to see her reaction.
That really shook me. Like, it literally shook me. My hand started shaking. V.
Yes. It's so beautiful, and I love the vibe of it. Like,
And once again, like, the little, when he was standing there, like, the camera just focused on his face and it started, the little circle thing. Michael. That's all I'm seeing.
Really?
Yes. One day, you may see it. I
I
don't know.
hope so.
But I'm going to go back to that second verse. Because
Excellent. That's fine with
that
that.
really did something. And this, like, boyfriend vibes. When he was laying in the bed and he started smiling right here before I got my soul taken away.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm
That.
thinking about you. What to
Please, YouTube, why is it not letting me do what I need to do?
find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy.
Michael.
Can you explain?
It's his eyes. There's something. It's his eyes and like. It's literally his whole face, honestly. Like I don't know.
I see it maybe like right in here.
Yes, like that's what I'm saying. Because I was gonna say his eyes, but it's also like here
Face
down
structure.
to yes.
I see it a little bit. A little. Maybe.
Oh wee. Oh my
Maybe.
goodness. That second verse.
Mm-hmm.
Woo.
His voice just came in.
Woo. Yeah.
Remember-
That really did something to me, and I don't know if I like it. Leave me alone.
I love it so much. I have to listen to it like once a day.
That, yeah,
It's like a medicine.
that's a great song. The vibe, all of it is
The
just,
vibe, yeah.
yeah.
So cute.
It's like who out here breaking his heart though?
Tell him to come here. I got something to say.
Bring it here now.
How could you hurt this sweet boy?
Hope you hit your pinky toe. But anyways, that was V. Rainy
On
Days.
a scale from 1 to 10.
Oh, a million.
Yeah.
Yeah. That man really did that, and
I'm excited to hear the rest of his stuff.
yeah, I think another song's supposed to drop. It's not today, is it? I don't think it's today. He posted it yesterday, I forgot. But another song is supposed to drop very soon, and I cannot wait. And I think that has a video with it as well. So we have like a visual album, which I love that.
I'm not going to listen to it. I'm going to wait. I promise.
I'm gonna wait. Okay.
Angel!
Maya!
You listen to Poison! Or you watched Poison!
Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment,
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye!